Hi guys, today we have Nissan X-terra 2024 model, and in this one we are going to program a smart key. So here you can see this one is original smart key and these are two aftermarket which here we are going to program. So first we need to turn ignition on and we are going to click remove. Then we're gonna do auto detect so we can directly jump into the programming mode. And by the way, if you're programming all key lost or add key, procedure will be the same because you need to program new one as well as old one. Now it is asking to open and close door once and turning on flasher. Yeah, so now we can proceed. Ignition is on, flashers are on, and once we have closed and opened the door. By the way, here the remote I'm going to program is by Autel. If you're using another device like Vividia or X-tool, in that you're gonna require to put 4 digit of pin code. In Autel what actually happens, it automatically reads the 4 digit of pin code from the car and automatically applies that. Like it goes in auto mode. So don't get confused. Now here we have to click on Emo status scan, but before that I want to show you that the original is working fine. Before programming, you can see lock unlock, mirror and indicators, everything is working. Now you can see the new one is not working. And here we need to turn ignition on once again, and also we have turned off flashers, so in further procedure that will require to pressing Emo status scan. By the way, here you can see there are 2 keys already programmed, registered 2 keys. Yeah, these are. Now press add key, press start, executing. Now it says 4 keys you can program. Turn ignition on, flasher on, and once door opening and close. Everything is done, so press OK. Now what we have to do is we need to turn ignition on once again. Press OK. Now keep programming, so we need to turn ignition off. Press OK. Now what we have to do is take the original key and press the push start once and hold down the smart key near to it. Emo light will flash 5 times and your key is programmed. And we have to program one another, so we'll press yes, yes again, turn ignition off, press OK, and now take the new key and press smart key once, hold down the smart key near to it and Emo light will flash 5 times again, and the remote is the smart key is programmed. Press OK. We don't need to program third key, so we're gonna say no and turn ignition off. Press OK. Now what we have to do is take the smart key, the first one, press push start and hold down the smart key near to the push start, and you're gonna hear some beeps and your smart key is programmed. Turn ignition off. Wait 3 seconds, 1, 2, 3, and now press OK. After this, what you have to do is we can check the smart key is starting or not, the car is starting or not. Press brake, press push start, and the car is starting nice and clean. So this way you can program smart key in new 2024 Nissan X-terra. Turn ignition off, and now we can check the smart keys. The smart keys are working or not. Actually I'm trying to show you registration, like in the screen you can see registration of keys. So lock unlock is working. Yeah, in the screen you can see key registration is complete. Now the new one, Yeah, it's working. Lock, unlock, and lock, unlock, indicators. Yeah, and even you can start the car.